Lovely birds. Birds are beauty of nature. Look at the pictures and speak their names aloud. Eagle. It soars high in the sky. Hummingbird. The smallest bird. Parrot. It loves to eat green chilies. Ostrich. A bird which cannot fly. Goose. A bird with long neck and short legs. Duck. A bird with webbed feet. Kingfisher. A small bird with pointed beak. Heron. It has S-shaped neck and pointed beak. Owl. It has large round eyes. Kite. It has long wings. Sparrow. It is a small brown bird. Peacock. It has beautiful feathers. It dances when it rains. Vulture. It is a large bird with no feathers on its head. Macaw. It is a parrot with a long tail. Crow. It has shiny black feathers. Pigeon. It eats seeds, fruits and plants. Turkey. It has 2 stomachs. Hen. It gives us eggs.